Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto Chester. I am here today to give you an update on Hedera HBAR. This asset is extremely underpriced and I'm going to tell you why, okay? So we're going to be breaking this down from a fundamental perspective and then going into the chart and looking at price prediction for this asset, okay? So starting off, Hedera HBAR. This thing has been absolutely exploding here over the last sort of 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks or so, and it's been doing really well. They're hosting events. They've got a very sustainable blockchain. They're a layer 1 blockchain as well, guys. But they're different. They're different to proof of work. They're different to proof of stake, okay? It's an open source public network governed by leading organizations around the world. Now, this is very important, guys, because this is essentially a blockchain that's decentralized, but it's managed in a decentralized aspect from the world's leading organizations. So these organizations are shown on the screen. We're talking Google, Hitachi, Ubisoft. We're talking banks, we're talking Dell Technology, we're talking LG, we're talking real blue chip companies here, guys. They're involved with HBAR and they are the governing organization. So what does that tell us? It tells us from a sort of real world asset perspective and sort of a blockchain technology adoption perspective, they are going to be using HBAR as the layer 1 blockchain. If they're going to be governing it, they're going to be using it, right? So this opens the door and opens the question for potentially Google using this as a layer 1, Ubisoft, all these other big blue chip companies, and that is potentially why HBAR is doing so well. We are going to get into a price prediction for this asset very shortly. Let's have a little look here. So HBAR uses a unique hash graph consensus algorithm to enable fast, secure, and energy efficient transactions. Okay, it's one of the leaders in the layer 1 space right now, and that is why a lot of these major blue chip companies are involved with it, and they have chose to actually govern it. Okay, again, guys, if you've got any more information about HBAR, please get into the description of this video, not the description, the comment section. Get into the comment section of this video and please let me know. I'm dying to know more about HBAR, and I really think that this asset is massively underpriced, and we will get into this very shortly. Now, if everything that I've been talking about is perking your ears and you're excited and you want to get involved with this, guys, you can just go over to Billion. They host trading futures for HBAR, and they offer massive welcome bonuses as well. And I've actually negotiated cheaper trading fees for my community. So you can trade futures, you can trade leverage, you can trade spot trading, all at discounted fees in comparison to the exchange that you're currently using. I'm talking cheaper than Binance, cheaper than Coinbase, cheaper than Mexi, cheaper than all these exchanges, because you're going through my link that is negotiated with cheaper fees, guys. You're gonna get 20% off all fees when trading futures and spot with Billion. Now, if you look at the UI here on the screen, it's very clean, very simple, and they also offer all major trading pairs that are really good here, and yeah, they offer pretty much everything that you can ask for. So if you want to trade futures, this is the place for you. Go to the link in the description, go sign up, and take advantage of a massive welcome bonus as well there, guys. Now, back to HBAR, let's get into the chart and let's look at some price prediction for this asset. Just want to have a little look at CMC for a second here, because on the daily, we have seen this retrace roughly around 5.68% here, which isn't too bad considering the rest of the market has taken a massive dip. But what has happened here, guys, it's actually taken a dip and it's bounced back quite aggressively. Over the last 7 days, it is down 16%, but this is fine, because if we look at the monthly, guys, look at this. It's just look at the monthly. It's up 426%. Now, if that's not overextended, I don't know what is. So that is why we're having these lovely pullbacks. These are DCA pullbacks where you dollar cost average into your position, guys. And what that means is you're basically buying every dip to get a better average entry across your holdings or your futures, for your entries into HBAR, is what I'm trying to say. Completely mind blank there. But yeah, the market cap for this asset is $11.1 billion, which is still underpriced for a layer 1 blockchain, but it has done insanely well over the last month here, doing 400%, basically a 5x, right? it's not over. I do think that these guys, with the backing that they currently have from all of these major blue chip companies, even Boeing are on there, guys. Some huge, huge companies here are really going to help this asset and probably use this asset from a blockchain adoption standpoint. So that is why we can see potentially HBAR doing really, really well. Now let's get into a price prediction for this, because if we're looking at sort of blockchain and the blockchain adoption side of things, Solana is clearly a very great example, and Ethereum. And if we look at Solana and Ethereum sort of market caps right now, these are the sorts of projects and layer ones that I would actually compare HBAR to. Now, $103 billion market cap, $452 billion market cap. So if we're using Solana as an example, let's be a little bit more realistic here. We can be using Solana, and that will basically mean that the HBAR is still due a 10x, guys. Okay, it's still due 1,000% here, which I think is completely achievable. Now, if we are going to be doing a 10x from this area, guys, it's going to be pretty parabolic and pretty crazy stuff. It will basically bring this token to $2.29. Okay, so do you think that this is an achievable target? Let me know in the comment section. This will be I mean, it does say 700% here, but if we are going to be oh yeah, it's just a little bit less than 10x there. So yeah, 7x on our investment, but I do still believe that $100 billion market cap is completely achievable for this asset with all these blue chip projects behind them. Okay, so $100 billion will be putting that price to around that sort of area, guys. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comment section for this asset, and I'm super intrigued to know. And if you guys do want to trade and take advantage of this dip, this is one of my big picks for this bull run, guys. I really think this thing is going to explode. Go and trade it on BitUnex. You're going to get cheaper fees, you're going to get huge rewards, and a lovely UI as well. They do also have a mobile app, guys, that you can use, and again, it's non-KYC, so you can put your funds in there and have nobody tracking you, which is also a really good thing as well there. Now, again, let me know what you think of HBAR in the comment section, guys. And yeah, that's probably going to be it from me. Thank you ever so much for watching. I do appreciate it, and hope you all have a fantastic day. And again, if you want to trade, go to the link in the description and pick up BitUnex and get those cheaper fees. Peace out, guys. I'll see you in the next one.